A mega job mela featuring over 1,000 plus job openings across various industries including ITEs, manufacturing, healthcare, retail, finance is set to take place at Dispur College in Guwahati on 1st of February from 9 a.m. onwards. The event, sponsored by Northeastern Development Finance Corporation Limited (NEDFI) and organized by Nipuna Human Development Society, promises to provide a platform for job seekers to connect with leading companies across multiple sectors. Prominent companies such as Sutherland, Fiscon, Paytm, L&T Finance and other reputed firms will be participating in the event. The Mega Job Mela is open to all candidates from 10th pass to postgraduates with flexibility from entry level to experienced positions. This event will provide a unique opportunity for job seekers to explore various career options and connect with top companies.
60% of the companies will give the same day offer letters, and the next day, within 2 to 3 days, they will give the joining date also. And also here, in this job mela, local work locations in nearby Assam, Guwahati, those companies also participating. So who are most of the candidates, some candidates will show the interest to work in their native places only, right? So those type of companies also coming. So they will give same day offer letters.
Jikon new mela, a new mela to Melakono Jikini company teloke de Huese, Itimote teloke Puidise, the Amar the Yat, Vivino Honor, Pribistar, Uti company Juktan Kurivo, ITs, manufacturing, healthcare, retail sector, বা ফাইনেন্সৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি তো আমাৰ মহাবিদ্যালয়সমূহত সাধাৰণতে হাই সেকেন্ডাৰী বিএ পিএসসি বিসিএ এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীবোৰ আছে তাৰোপৰি ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰিং বেকগ্ৰাউণ্ড বা অন্যান্য বেকগ্ৰাউণ্ডৰ কাৰণেও এই মেলাখন খোলা থাকিব ইয়াত যিবিলাক কোম্পানী আহিব তালৈকে অসমৰ বা উত্তৰ অঞ্চলৰ যিকোনো ব্যক্তিয়ে যিসকলৰ এই অৰ্হতা আছে তেওঁলোকে ইয়াত আহি যোগদান কৰিব পাৰিব we are trying to extend our cooperation to our unemployed youth so that they can get a job and they will be employed.